Hey, I am Baran. I am building No Checkout, a multiplayer horror game, and documenting the entire development process using Godot. The game will be released on Steam, and it uses Steam's peer-to-peer networking system for all multiplayer functionality. Every stage takes a place on a random floor of a haunted hotel. So how are these floors built? Am I placing every room by hand, or is it all generated automatically? In this video, I will show you how the stage building system works. The stage builder. It takes a grid-based layout and populates it at a runtime with actual rooms and play space. And the best of all, the entire navigation system is built in real time. There are no pre-authorized paths or something else. Just code, Godot, and flexible grid system. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive in. Each stage is constructed on a 3D grid layout. This grid defines exactly where rooms can be placed and how they are aligning in the scene. In this part, I am only showing the grid, no rooms yet. Each grid cell is represented visually in the editor and corresponds to a 3D world position. The idea is to show how positions are mapped clearly. Nothing is placed yet, just a special skeleton of the layout. This makes it very easy to understand where things will go on later. Now it's time to get grids filled. Each room is instantiated based on external config data. The stage builder reads each entry in the config, room scene name, grid position, and rotation. Then creates and places the room in the scene. Here is an example of a config data. This data passes to the builder, and each grid cell becomes a real room in the game. In multiplayer sessions, this configuration is actually provided by the host player through the Steam networking. So, if room A is set to 000 coordinates and stairs A at 002, you will see them appear exactly on those positions for all the players. Once all rooms are placed, the next step is to make the scene navigable, both for players and NPCs. There isn't a separate navigation region for every room. Instead, the root scene contains a single navigation region 3D node. After all rooms are added, we call bake navigation mesh on this root node. This creates a navigation mesh in a real time based on the colliders presented in the scene. That way, both players' movement and enemy pathfinding works as expected. No pre-built now mesh, everything is generated dynamically based on the current layout. This is crucial for procedural level design. In this video, I showed how the stage system in the No Checkout works, from grid generation to room placement and real-time navigation. If you enjoyed the devlog, hit the like button and subscribe for more. In the next episode, I will show you how player state machines are synchronized across the clients over the network. See you then!